Hello everyone. So this is a special one today on Knowlets Go TV. I'm coming from the request of some people that would like to know what are the delivery food apps in St Vincent. We know in other countries, such as the big countries like England and America, you have Uber Eats, DeliverCo. We have a lot of choices around the world for delivery food apps. But let me show you in St Vincent what they have to offer. So in St Vincent, there's two main really food delivery apps. So if you come in and you're in a hotel and you're wondering how you can order food online through a delivery app, we're going to go through these three here, which we have. The two in the island of St Vincent, which are the two most well-known, are these two here. They're fairly new. So you've got Karibites on this one here, and we've also got Vonzuu on this here. They're both available on the Apple Apple Store and also on the Android Play Store also. So let's go through these apps and see what they have to offer. So let's start with Karibites. Let me move these two out of the way. So we have Karibites here. Oops. We have Karibites. So this one, like I said, you can download this on either the Apple Store or the Android Store. If we open this, Karibites is used in St Vincent, so it's something which you will be able to find if you go to into the Play Store on Android or the store on your Apple phone. Once you download it, you need to do all that good stuff, register, set up your account. Once you do that, you should be able to see this menu here. And in Karibites, you can also change the country. It also serves the other Caribbean countries nearby. As you can see in the menu, you've got Grenada, Antigua, Dominica, St Lucia. So you can download it for those countries if you was to go to them also. So as you can see here, we have delivery, or we could do ASAP or later pickup. You can see a scheduled time. It gives you a time you can pick up the food, so you don't need to wait for a delivery person if you feel you can go and pick it up yourself. So when you do get into this app, you can obviously select the location on where you are actually based. So we can go into this here, and we can go into the area that you're staying at. Open map. You can pinpoint where you're at in your location, and you can also set where you are at the current time for the food delivery, just like any other food delivery app in the world. You can search for any specific kind of food, so we can do a search in here. Let's put in KFC. You can see it's brought up KFC in Kingstown. It's also shown the delivery costs, how much it would cost to deliver. You can see that there. So if we go into that, it gives us the option of when we can pick up in 30 minutes, delivery time 60 minutes to Cane Gardens. We can also see what is on the menu. We can select a free wings combo. You can see the quantity amount, you can set that. You can select your sauce options, any other instructions you want to leave for the restaurant. And then once you've done that, let's just select that. You can add it to the bag. You can see it's been added to the bag. We can check out straight away, or we can just go into the basket to see what we have. And you can see the service charge there, what they put on top of the actual cost of the food. So the delivery fee is $7.50 Eastern Caribbean dollars. So you can see on Karibites, it's fairly a decent app if you're in the country of St Vincent and you want to know how to order some food online, and you're wondering what apps can we use out here. That's your first option you can use. So let's move on to Vonzuu. So we also have this one here. It's called Vonzuu. Vonzuu is another quite fairly used app in St Vincent. So if you're wondering, you want to get some food and you can't find it on Karibites, you can come into here. Again, this one can be downloaded on the Play Store or on the Apple Store. Once you have downloaded it, you can just open it through here. Go through all the stuff to register your account. You can see on here you've got the it's explaining what it can do for you. You can find the restaurants. You can do a pickup. You can choose your meal. And when the meal is ready, it will be on its way. So you've got all the basic stuff explaining how and what the app can do. And once it loads up, it has a geolocation that tries to detect where you are. You can set this to allow it to run when you're in the app, or we can have it always running on your phone. This will basically burn your battery faster if you select allow while using apps. It's best to just put allow once. So once you get into this app, you can see it has a few categories here. We've also got delivery and pickup. If we search for a restaurant, we may need to just set the location. So we set the location here. Let's put Cane Gardens in again. So stick with this address. Just put that in one more time. St Vincent. There we go. So let's save that location. And once we've done that, we should start seeing food options pop up on the phone. Again, let's try something different this time. We've got this smooth juice bar. Click on that. You can see it's got the options for the food menu and for the drinks. A lot of smoothies there, some nice flavors. Showing the prices of these smoothies. So we just select one of these options here. Shows you any other additional options. The price, $25. I see some Caribbean dollar. You can add that item to your basket. And we can see it's been added. So from there, we can see the total service charge is $2.50. You can leave a delivery tip for the driver. And the delivery is going to cost $4.50. Proceed to the payment basket. You would have to, from here, once you set up the account, you will see your payment basket, and you can put in your payment details, and then you can send that request, and you should be able to get your order delivered. Once you've set that information, it will show you how long it will take for the delivery to be received from your location. So it usually gives you a time period of maybe like 10-20 minutes. It shows you the time duration, how long it's going to take for the delivery to get to your address. So again, Vonzuu is when I was using it recently, I thought it was a very good app. I found it had quite a lot of food options. Very reliable app. Seems very good. So if you're coming on the cruise ships and you're in a hotel, maybe it's raining and you don't want to leave the hotel and you want to try something different, Vonzuu is your place. So Vonzuu, as you can see, plenty of options, is a good app to have in St Vincent. So in terms of other locations, other islands, I've not checked to see if this covers the other islands as such, but I know this is the go-to when you're in St Vincent. This is a good option. So let's go to another app. So now we have this one here. This one is called, let me just get this straightened up again. There we go. There we go. Technical errors with these apps moving around so quickly. So now we have DeliverCo. So this one seems like it's fairly new. DeliverCo, let's open it. It's also on the Apple Store and on the Play Market, on the Play Market for Android, and on the iPhone store too. So we can open this one. Like I said, it seems like it's fairly new. I was messing around with this one recently. I've set up my account. I've gone through, registered an account on DeliverCo. This one as well seems like it covers other countries, not just St Vincent. It seems like it covers all over the Caribbean. When I was setting this one up, I realised it covers quite a few other islands, but it seems like it's not as stable when using it as the other ones are. So once you've set it up, you should see your options for food places. See there. We've got a map down here and stores where you can order food. You can't actually order anything on this one until you've set up your profile and set your picture up. If you have no picture, you can't order any food. So once we come down here, we can order some food. Let's try this one. It shows you the location and where it's based, so you know the distance of how far away it is. So this can indicate the further it is, the more you're going to have to pay for the service, for the delivery fee. So if we come back down to, so let's say this one here, the one at the top here, Surfside. Let's go to their menu. You can see here we've got some options. Let's select some mushrooms on the pizza, and we can add that to the basket. As you can see, there's an error that's popped up. So this app seems like it's not as reliable as the other two apps. It's a good option if you want to, maybe in the future it may improve, but you might have issues when using this one, such as what you can see now. But I think you have to try a few times before you are able to get the orders to go through. But with the other two apps, they're a little bit more stable than this one. So you can see the ES error keeps popping up. So Vonzuu and Karibites seem to be the two options which, from what I've seen, are the two which seem to be the best ones in terms of food options, stability of use, less issues when using, and they seem like they're fairly reliable too. So it looks like you'll have a fair good option if you're in St Vincent and you want to order some food. These two seem like they'll be the ones to use, Vonzuu and Karibites. So check them out when you're in St Vincent. If you're there and you're feeling like a snack and you don't want to leave the hotel, or maybe you're at home and you're thinking, you know, you want to get something and you don't want to leave the house today, or maybe if you just come to St Vincent and you're wondering if they have delivery food apps, there you go. These two are the ones to watch and use. So watch these two apps here. They're the ones which you need to know if you're in St Vincent and you want to have food delivered. Karibites and Vonzuu. So get your phones out, download those apps, and have them ready for when you need them. Especially if you're a tourist going to St Vincent, because in that way, you know you have this option if you can't find any food that you like. So signing off. Have a good one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Knowlets Go TV. To the next one, have a good one.